Merry Christmas to each subscribers and viewers, family and friends. Seasonal greetings. So today I'm making carrot juice, Jamaican style, quick and easy. So thank you all for watching so far. I'm making Jamaican carrot juice. You know carrot juice is good for hair growth and the eyes and things, so making Jamaican carrot juice. Focus. I think that's good enough. So, use my blender. Here I have water. Which is enough. Use my carrots. Got a little bit loud. So if you just join the live, we are making carrot juice the Jamaican way. So blend the carrots, now we'll juice the carrot. So this is a straining. Clean and squeeze. You just want the juice. Right. We don't need that, that's a trash. Alright, done with the blender. Put the blender away. Squeeze. So as I said, we're making carrot juice. So we cut the carrot up. Reasonable size, that's a blend, easy to blend. We don't need this no more. This is a leave over, so we don't. Alright. So that's the juice of the carrot. So we had got to sweeten our carrot juice. So we gotta use sweetened condensed milk. We gotta use dragon. We gotta use some vanilla. We gotta use nutmeg. We gotta use this spoon. So So I'm just adding more carrot juice. This was used before. Alright. So we gotta add milk. So this is electric can opener or cutter, whatever you call it. Alright. So this is the milk. Let's try to get as much as I can from my milk. Milk. Then you can add my dragon stout. Okay, so this is dragon stout from Jamaica. You can get it in the US, they import it. Alright, so we're going to put a little vanilla extract. Stir, nutmeg. Yeah, so this is my nutmeg. Yep, so you open it in your grater. Carrot juice, that is enough. Mix. So you sweeten to your desire. So you got it. Yep. So I'm making Jamaican carrot juice. So I get 2 glasses with ice. I think it's supposed to show there. this is my 2 glass with ice. There you have it. Bacon, carrot juice. And remember, we use Guinness. So that's it. So that's my Jamaican carrot juice. So I use fresh carrot. I cut them small pieces, then I blend it. Then I use a strainer to strain it to get the unwanted trash. Then I use sweetened condensed milk to sweeten, and I add dragon. This is from Jamaica. And I use some vanilla extract, and I use egg, and that's it. That's how easy it is to make Jamaican carrot juice. And this carrot juice is good for ear growth, help the growing of ear. So if you think this video was educational or interesting, please leave a like, subscribe, leave a comment, press the notification bell to see more videos like this. Thank you. Tell me what you think. Very, very easy. I'm going to show you a big bowl of carrot juice. So I'm going to be in a bigger bowl now. So this is more carrot juice. We got to share this with family and friends. It's Christmas. So we make a lot because we got to share a lot. This is all carrot juice. Tell me what you think. Is it too much? Is it too much? Okay, need to come to it. Right. Yeah, so this is all carrot juice.